Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome back. This is Simply Your Makeup. I'm sitting in the living room and guess what showed up? My Boxycharm. So I decided I'm just gonna sit here and film it real quick so y'all can see, because it is already halfway through November and this is November's box and I want to get that out of the way. So right now it is Saturday. Today is Saturday the 13th. Yeah, today's Saturday the 13th and I'm filming this and I'm going to put it right up so y'all can see it because it is here. It is Boxycharm. I have my scissors. I have not opened it up. My address is still on it. Like I said, it arrived. It just arrived. I don't know what's in there. I don't even remember what I pick as mine. You know, sometimes they let you pick. I don't even know if I did pick something, so I don't remember. It's been too long. My address is still on there, so I have to be careful. Okay, as usual, we know the box. Ooh, it's not pink inside, it's black. I like that. Okay, that's a change. I was like, as usual, you know, it's pink and I open and it's not, it's black. Okay, Boxycharm. And they have their Instagram and their hashtag on there. Okay, so this is what I received in the box. I don't know what it is yet, so we're gonna open this together while I sit on my couch. And in my back, this is my chakra towel. The different colors and the different symbols for cleansing your chakra. So don't forget, always get grounded, always recharge, always clean your chakra, your crown chakra. Remember that you have your throat chakra, you have different chakras, and you also have different pressure points. So remember to always recharge. Now I need glasses. My eyeglasses for us to see what we got, because trust me, without that I won't be able to see. Boxycharm invite only. Ooh, I don't know what that means. I never know what the front, half of the time I don't know what the front means. I show you the back just to show you the products that are in there, but I have no clue what all the little codes mean, so we're just gonna have a ball with it. Okay. What I pick, I don't remember, but let us do this. Okay, let's see. It's a violet. Ooh, we'll leave that for last. It's a Violet Voss Sunset Eyeshadow and Pressed Pigment Palette, but we will do that one last. We will do that one last. I can see it right there. Let's go to the next one. Okay, the next one on there is Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser, and it's $40. I know her stuff is good because I've tried some of her stuff a while back, way back yonder before Boxycharm. So this is the packaging. Hopefully my lighting is good. If not, just listen and watch what I do, because like I say, I'm sitting next to this big window, so I'm using natural light. So this is it. Okay, I think I picked that. I don't remember. Maybe that's what I picked. I don't remember if I had to even pick. So this is the Kate Somerville cleanser, and it has a safety seal. I will not open it. I have 3 cleansers going right now. So Kate Somerville, this is what? This is $40. Okay. Next one, say Glow Oasis Milk Dew pH Balance Moisturizing Milk Toner. I can always use a toner. And it is, ooh, okay, it's heavy. How many fluid ounces in there? It is very heavy. 4.05 fluid ounces. Yeah, it's heavy, you can tell. And this is it right here. Ooh, okay, I like the bottle. It's not that plain, but it's nice. Okay, this is what it looks like. pH Balancing Moisture Milk Toner. That's what it looks like, milk. Okay, and that is $34. The next thing say Trust Fund Beauty Better Than Therapy Lip Oil. I need one because I'm almost down to like one of my stuff, one of my lip thingy that I put on. Okay, Better Than Therapy Lip Oil. Okay, this is the packaging, and that cost $18. Let's see, I gotta open it. Okay, cute little bottle. This is it. I'm doing this on my phone, so I'm making sure I got everything right. Okay, so that's the lip oil. The next thing say Larousse Beauty Face Disc. Wipe away a day with this alternative eco-friendly solution to disposable makeup wipes. Okay, they're trying to help us save the earth. And this is for $24. This is this. Okay, it's 3 of them. Okay. I have the larger ones, but I think I'll use this one better. Okay, 3 of them. So this costs $24. So now that's 4 products. And then the last product, as usual, that makes me smile a little wider and bigger and joyful. Yes, it's a palette. Violet Voss Sunset Eyeshadow and Pressed Pigment. It's for $37, and this is drum roll, a palette. Here it is, a palette. Yes, and we're gonna open that one. Yes, we will open it. Packaging is just as good as the box. Ooh, not a lot of colors, but it is okay. See? Natural light. You've seen everything in natural light. This is it. Okay, so let us just do a quick swatch. Shimmers always make everything better. And there are 3 shimmers in there. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. This is 3 shimmers right here. I always do it wrong. I always think I'm doing the swatches on the correct side, and then it always ends up on the wrong side. So these are the 3 swatches for the shimmers. Okay, that's not bad. Not bad, not bad. I can put that together. And then if I take this brown right here, ooh, it's called Dusk. Okay, so this is, let me tell you the names, because here I am. This is Peach Champagne Violet Sunset. Now there's a brown in there called Dusk. It is pigmented. This is the brown. Wow. Okay, I can use that. And then the lilac. I have to go in it. Here is the lilac. That's a matte. These are 2 mattes. The first 3 are shimmers. Not a bad palette. Take a look. I can create something good with this. Well, a lot of something goods. A lot of goods. Whichever way you want to say it, I can. Okay, so these are just some of the colors in the palette. I like it. This is everything. Again, this is the palette. Cutie, cutie, cutie. I like it. Okay, so I get my Violet Voss. I get my toner. I get my lip oil, which I'm almost out of the lip scrubbing thing I would use. I get my wash, my face wash, and I get my little disc. Okay, Boxycharm, I am happy. Very good, very good, very good. Thank you, Boxycharm. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Good products. That's good. I am happy. This is just going to be a quick short video so you can see I did get my Boxycharm and I did enjoy it and I like it. The word for today is be the best you. When you are you and you feel comfortable in your skin, no one can make you feel any kind of way. Be you in your skin. Just ground yourself and know who you are. Be you, be your best self, and let no one tear you down. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I pray that you are having a blessed, fabulous, wonderful, peaceful, encouraging day. Because I want to meet you where you are and leave you empowered and leave you full of life, knowing that you can do it. I know you can do it. I can do it. You can do it. I am no different from you. I am not any different from you. We have the same blood flowing through our veins. So remember, believe in you. And at again with my Boxycharm, which I am very happy that I received and it came. I Simply You Makeup is saying bye. Bye, bye, bye. I love you, I love you, I love you. Yes, I do. I gotta go. I gotta go edit this video so you can see. Bye, bye, bye.